The Solar Breeze NX has saved my husband and I so much time. The Solar Breeze NX couldn't be easier. All you do is turn it on, set it in the sun in your pool, and it just takes off and goes forever. And honest to goodness, it does go forever. It's just about maintenance free. The only thing you do have to do is just empty it from time to time. You can look through the window, see if there's debris gathering in the nets. Just pull out the drawer, empty it, wash it out, put your drawer back in, and it just takes care of itself. Not only does it clean the pool from the surface, but it's also chlorinating it at the same time. It really makes it very easy. I think it's absolutely essential if you own a pool to invest in a Solar Breeze NX. We've had this for 3 years. We've given these away as gifts, and it's just been the best thing to keep our pool nice and clean and debris free. I recommend it highly.